Guys, guess what just came in? Hey everyone, so today I will be unboxing my shoes. So these are, I guess, special because they are a designer shoe and they're one of my first designer shoes that I have gotten. So I just wanted to share that with you and I wanted to unbox them with y'all. Okay, so I did order them off of Goat and they took a very interesting route. They went from, I think, Mississippi to Hong Kong and then my house. So, which is in Dalton, Georgia. So, you know, it was weird for it to go from the United States to Hong Kong and then back over here. So with that being said, I'm going to take my precautions, put my gloves on, and spray some Lysol because I'm not trying to catch anything. I already did spray a little bit of the Lysol on there before I brought it inside. Oops. Can I never put gloves on, right? Okay, here we go. Woo. Okay, so time to open the box. I don't have a knife and I don't feel like running downstairs, so I'm gonna use my bobby pin. I already tried scratching at it a little bit. The bobby pin works just as well, do not judge. Yeah, it does. Oh yeah, so here we go. Yes, I already see the logo. I'm trying not to move that much because my phone is on a tripod, but every time I move the table, it moves the tripod, so. Okay, guys, look at that. That's awesome. Okay. I'm gonna spray this, and also I would tell y'all the name of the shoe. Actually, it's gonna have it right here. I was gonna say because my phone's recording, but okay. Spray a little of that on there. Whoops. How do I take it out? Gonna do the unthinkable. I just thought my shoes hit the lid. Yes, we have made contact. So that's the back of the box. Yeesh. So already I can tell you there's like scuffs on the box. Gosh. Ooh, I need to stop moving the box like that. So I got, I don't know if this is how you say it. The sneaker, nope, that's not it. I don't know, the name's not on here, but I got the black and white sneaker, whoops, with the platform. So that's the front. So this is the Goat card, and these little dots are just telling me that everything's real, everything's good quality. Okay. Are y'all ready for this? Because I'm not. Okay. They look pretty beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, look at that. I ordered a 7.5 and I feel like it's too big. Kinda sad, I hope it's not too big. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm cut out of the camera. I got too excited. Okay, so this is just from telling me thank you. So these are pretty beautiful. I'm trying to look for any scuffs or anything. There's not. That's what the bottom looks like. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's a slight scuff on this side, but can barely see it, which is okay with me. So the back part, I thought it was just gonna be a normal, what the heck is on my finger? So the back black part on the website, I looked at it and I thought it was just going to be a normal, just the same material as this, you know? But turns out it's suede, which is so much cooler. So there's that one. And then y'all can see it. There you go. Okay, good. I'm just checking everything's okay with both of them. Yes, so they're both perfectly fine. I'm just scared they're not gonna fit me. Okay, this is the shoe I'm wearing right now. Let's see. Actually, yeah, I think they're gonna fit me. I think they just look big because of the sole. I went to Europe for like 2 weeks, and London, oh my gosh, that's what made me want to buy them. I saw so many people wearing them, and I was like, there's such a good like essential shoe to have. So I was like, I'm gonna order them when I get back. And you know, I did. I have not seen anyone thus far with them, so I'm pretty excited. And I also, yeah, I think that's it. I just like buying shoes in general, but when I find shoes that a lot of people don't have in my town, it makes me so much more happy. So I guess the moment of truth is putting them on and seeing if they fit. So let me just take the stuff out. And also another thing when I was researching these were that these look a lot like the Adidas ones with the green in the back. So a cheaper option would be to get those. Okay, so let me go put on some socks and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I also found these shoes. They are super identical and less than half of the price that I bought mine. Okay, I'm back. I have socks. And I also heard that these shoes crease very, very easily. So I have to only wear these on special occasions. Or like once in a while for pictures or something. But it is very stiff. Oh my gosh. These are the cutest thing in the world. Ah! Yeah, I'll show you. Sorry for my ugly shoe tying, but it's just for now. And I usually have fat feet, but it's keeping my feet in, so it's making me so happy. Because usually this would be spilling out the side of my feet. Look, if I let go a little bit, they will, but. They look amazing. I'm so happy. Okay guys, so that concludes the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and if y'all want to see more of these unboxings, leave a comment down below. Or if you have any questions, I will gladly answer them. See you guys next time.